Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and I'm doing a voiceover because there is a lot of noise going on in my surroundings, and that was one of the reasons why I had been absent from YouTube, but that was not the only one. Anyways, so this is my newest kit in my shop. It's called French Chateaux Gardens. Um, it has a lot of French elements in it and also garden elements. I have this kit comes with 16 collage sheets, so you can use them in many ways. You can use them as your journal pages, you can make tags, journal cards. I will be showing you how they look once you make the journal cards and stuff, and how you can make journal cards and tags from collage papers like this. So I'll show you how to do that. So right now what I have is these papers. So they are arranged in not any particular order, but as far as I remember, they are in this sequence. This is the first page, and there are a lot of new subscribers to my channel, so welcome ladies. Let's go through this. So I have printed this out on a laser printer so you can see the shine, but I will also show you how they look once they are printed on inkjet. So I'm just walking you through the pages. So this is the third page. They came out absolutely gorgeous, and I'm very happy with the work that I've done. And it was a learning curve for me because I'm not very confident about my skills as such, but anyways, we'll see how this goes. So this is page number 3, and now we'll move on to page number 4. So this is page number 4, and I absolutely love that butterfly. That's wonderful. It looks so bright, and you can make journal cards and tags, as I constantly say, and I personally do that. It doesn't matter whether the kit comes with journal tags or cards. You can make your own. And this is another page. So currently there is not anniversary, but I have just completed a little bit more than 500 sales in my shop. So I'm having a 50% off on all digital items. And also what I have is I've created a section in my shop which is journals under 65. So all the journals that are that have been made using some sort of, like, I feel personally, if I'm giving you papers from my inkjet printer, I have reduced the price so that you get that at a very reasonable rate. But if the papers are from laser printer, then of course the pricing of the journal goes up a little bit. So I'm trying to keep everything very streamlined. So this is another page. This is not very grungy, as you can see. Not all the pages are very grungy. It has a balance of both. But I wanted to do a bluish kind of theme because I have not done anything in that line, as you must have seen. Mostly I love pinks and reds, but I have moved away from it consciously, and I'm just trying to give you a brief idea how you can cut these sections up. You can make you can fussy cut these out. They can be used in a lot of ways, and I will show you how you can use them in subsequent videos following this one. This is one of my favorite butterfly images. So, and I love that black and white butterfly. It's so cute. And this is another page. So we are coming towards the end, and as you can see, 16 sheets is a very decent amount to work with. And right now these are available at a 50% off. All my kits are available at 50% off, so you can see if you have missed out something. I will be coming out with more kits very soon. They are half done, sort of in a half done state. So I've added these frames, and lovely, they look so elegant. um, and some bookend pages I've used. Again, some, as I said, I tried to move away consciously from reds and pinks. There are reds and pinks in the kit, but they are not dominating the entire kit. Blues are the one that I've moved more towards. So this is, I think, is the last page. Love how this came out. It's such a beautiful kit. Yeah, so I'm very happy with the way things have shaped out. So this is my French Chateau Garden kit, and this is currently on sale, as I said. So I'm also going to show you how they look on inkjet printer, printed when they're printed out, because apart from the shine, there isn't much of a difference. Just let me give you a very quick view of that, then we'll wind up this video. So this is how this looks. So you can see there's not much of a difference except the shine, but sometimes we do like the shabby look, so you can pretty well create with these. I'll probably create a journal using these very soon, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. But as I said, I have created a separate section for all the journals that are going to be created with my inkjet printed papers that are printed on inkjet printers. Will be at a reduced price, so that's going to go into a section separately, and of course that is free shipping. So free shipping goes without saying, but it's just the quality of the paper that is going to determine the price of the journal. Otherwise everything remains the same, no changes. And you can see there is, apart from the shine, there is very little difference in the kit. So that's that, and these are the last pages. I just wanted to show you honestly how this the difference looks, and this is how it looks in the laser printer. Of course it gets a better look, undoubtedly. So thank you everybody for being here, and please visit my shop.